In this video, we're going to be talking about libraries right here in Adobe Express. On the left hand of the screen, there is an option that says Your Stuff. If I select that option and then choose Libraries, I can see the libraries that I've created inside other Adobe tools. Additionally, I can create a library, name it, hit the Create button, add in colors, palettes, fonts, or even upload graphics. This is an incredibly easy way to build a library that you can share with your team. Additionally, these libraries are available in other Adobe tools. If you would like to share your library with another user in Express, you can come up here to the little plus button and add the people that you would like to invite. Additionally, you can change the access to everyone in your organization or anyone with the link. Are you utilizing libraries in your workflow? If so, let us know in the comments below. That's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.